Be strong in the Lord. Because when you are strong in the Lord, it makes you stronger. Not because that you are strong, but because you have the power from God that makes you stronger. Amen? Being strong in the Lord is a must. O le mea ta tau, mo le tangata ua ta'awina o le Keriso. You know, there are times in our lives that we feel weak. But you have to make that choice. You have to make that choice. I have to be strong in the Lord. Be strong in the Lord and in the power of His might. Your strength is not from yourself. Your strength is not from yourself. For you to be able to battle or go through the battles of life, your strength comes from God. My strength is from God. My strength is from God. Amen. My strength is from God. God has given you weapons. You know, mai ele tuangi I mea tau venga le ai lao mai ele tua ma fau faunga ina ia mawhai ona e ola ai le upu ale atua ina ia savali. These are the weapons that you use in knowing how to live a life that Christ wants you to live. Therefore, take up the whole armor of God, that you may be able to withstand in the evil day and have done all to stand. E upu paulo whapea, lea loto faitete ina te ia paua. Usa ole ofu tau, eli au mai e Faamalosi o kako malamlama ia Batman, Superman, e ofu vengai e longo fia kako Superman. Ele whapea lo e kupuro whalavlave o soroku i ofu ia whapea lo Maalosi ia. O le tāua o ofu lo inga ia mawhai o ngā e tū auange I e pau. Inga ia mawhai o ngā e te atu I te tia Apollo. Amen? The whole point of having the armor of God is for you to withstand. Inga mawhai o ngā te atu tia Apollo. O le au ngāre ofu, inga ia mawhai ngā whea ngai oi, ma le aso vale le aso whainga kā. Ie aso vale, ie me kukupu leo langa kākou. Ko se kam whai ar kia Apollo inga ia wha vale ai oi. The enemy is always trying to deceive you that your focus or your trust is not on God. And that's why it's so important that we put our trust, we be strong in the Lord and in the power of His might.